Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. So today's video is a requested video. I got so many questions like, can you suggest few products which are cheaper but give good coverage and pigmented? So here we are. I'll show all products under 500 and will create this look using those products only. So without further ado, let's get started. I already moisturized my skin. I will suggest you to use a good moisturizer which suits you. Now to prime my face, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water cool as a cucumber. I am spraying it on my face and giving few minutes to my skin to absorb it. Now to color correct my skin, I am using Kryolan Supra Color Mandarin and applying it under my eye area, around nose and around lips. Then using a beauty blender, I am blending this all. Thus I will be able to hide all my dark circle, discoloration and spot marks. Now for foundation, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Liquid Foundation Tube in shade Sunbeams and I am applying it all over my face. Now it's little bit dark for my skin, so I'm adding Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium with it. And then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending this all. This foundation gives good coverage with natural finish look. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium and applying it under my eye area, on the bridge of my nose, on forehead, around lips and on chin. Then using the same beauty blender, I am again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in shade Porcelain and I am applying it all over my face. This powder really works very well. It's very fine in texture and instantly mattify your skin. Now for brows, I am using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow in shade Dark Brown. So first I am combing my brow hair to clean all the products from my brow. As well I am giving it a natural shape. Then I am lining it following its natural shape and also I am filling all the gaps into my brow. Then again I am brushing my brow hair thoroughly to spread all the color evenly. Now I am cleaning its edges using the same concealer. And as well I am applying it on my eyelid. Then I am blending it. For eyeshadow, I am using Swiss Beauty Eyeshadow Palette 6. So first I am taking this color and applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I am also applying it on my crease area. Now I am taking this shade and applying just above my crease area and I am blending this. Then I am taking this color and applying on the crease line and blending it properly. Then again I am taking the same color and darkening my outer corner and crease line. This eyeshadow palette is little bit powdery, so I will suggest you to pick product little by little. Now taking my concealer on a flat concealer brush, I am cleaning half of my eyelid as I am creating half cut crease eyelid. I'm using Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter and I'm applying the shimmer color on my eyelid. Then again I'm applying this color on it. Now using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this color just here. Then using a blending brush, I'm again blending it properly. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone using the same color. Now I'm tightlining my waterline using Pat Black Kohl pencil. Then using a pencil brush, I'm applying this color on my lower lash line. Then to blend its edges, I'm applying this color. Then I'm highlighting my inner corner using the same highlighting color. Then I'm applying a heavy coat of mascara, which is from Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara. Now to contour my face, I'm using Sugar Mini Bronzer Woody Wonder and applying it on my cheekbones. On my hairline, on my jawline, and on my nose. Then I'm using Swiss Beauty Professional Blusher Apricot Peach and applying on apple of my cheeks and on nose. Now to highlight my face, I'm using the same color from the palette and applying it on my nose tip, bridge of my nose, on my cheeks, on my chin, on my forehead, and on my cupid bow. Now for lips, I'm using Wet n Wild Brandywine Lip Liner and Megala's Lip Color Pink Sugar. So first I'm lining my lips. And then applying pink sugar on the center. Then to finish this look, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber Water. So this is the final look. To create this look, I used only all the products under 500 rupees. I will add all the products link on description box. Please let me know how is this look and this video is helpful or not by commenting down. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. I will try to make more videos like this. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.